found out it. Buck Rogers.
Ooh, nice atomic pistol. Hey guys, ever heard of A Skewed 3D? Well, if you haven't, you probably have, but didn't realise it. If you've ever seen videos by Illumitube or My Mate Art by Adrock, then you've probably seen some of their work. A Skewed 3D are a team of 3D designers very active in the maker community. They've created hundreds of excellent 3D files that have entertained us all. So I thought they deserved something in return. I wrote to Showman and his sons and asked if there was anything they'd like casting. I'm not entirely sure what I expected, but it wasn't a Buck Rogers atomic pistol from the 1930s. But look at that file. These guys are amazing. I could never do that. So I got 3D printing and hit problems right away. Some of the sections were so thin they fell apart when I touched them, and the two halves curled on the printer bed, making putting them together very difficult. I decided to fill any gaps with carving wax, so I could sand and carve any excess to shape. This worked fairly well, but I couldn't really replicate the circular sections. So I decided to have a go at designing and making my own 3D print files. It was okay until I realised I'd got the scale wrong. So I made another slightly smaller barrel. I know what you're thinking, I haven't got enough sprues, right? Yes, I know, it seems like overkill. But did you see my skull bottle opener? This was a giveaway item, by the way. If you haven't seen it, check out the video for a chance to win it, along with this Warhammer miniature, another giveaway. Both these videos are celebrating my reaching 25,000 subscribers recently, so check out the videos for entry details. Anyway, the 3D skull had a small indentation, which I thought was caused by a lack of feed points. As this pattern, like the skull, is a little larger than some of the castings I've been doing lately, I wanted to make sure that didn't happen again. Unfortunately, things didn't go so well. This one side doesn't look too bad. It's a nice representation of what was wanted. However, the other side is different. At first you may think I was just too lazy to tidy up the sprue points properly, and there's some truth in that. But there's actually a nasty dent right here that just can't be fixed. And that's got me thinking it's not a lack of feed points, but shrinkage. I need to give thought to including a riser on the more metal intensive casts that I do, so that's something for another day. You might also notice that the muzzle is misshapen. This is a very thin section and in an awkward spot, but the shape sort of matches the look of the sight to me, so I resisted the temptation to file it straight. For now, I'll see if Shulman and his boys can stomach my inferior workmanship. If they can, I'll be shipping it out to them, and they can hide it at the back of a closet somewhere. So I hope you enjoyed this one, guys. Don't forget to check out those giveaway videos. Take care, and thanks for watching.